Okay, so in this video, we're going to go over, not that. We're going to go over versioning and updating. So not only with the derived feature, just updating version in general. That's a big part of top-down design is the updating and versioning feature of it. Essentially, what that means is if I make a change in the master sketch, right? Let's say I move the arm to be almost vertical, right? It doesn't need to be perfect. We'll just do that. That doesn't immediately update for any sketches. Yeah, any other features that are deriving the sketch. So arm would derive this sketch, right? But you'll notice our arm is still in this position, the original position. And that's because there's a couple things that need to happen. One, I have to make so this is not for you guys. This is for me. I need to make a new version of the master sketch. This only applies to the master sketch. Um, I have to make a new version of this, and then you'll see a little blue dot, and then you click on the blue dot, update the version right here, update all, and then it becomes vertical. What is going on with that? Huh, that's interesting. Hold on, some technical difficulties. What? Huh. Okay. That is very new to me. I did not know that would happen. If that, I guess it's a good lesson. If that does happen during season, tell me, and then we can fix that. I think the reason is because the original. Let's wait a second. Quickly do this. Update you. It should be fixed after this. Yeah. So the reason that happened is because if you look here, right, we referenced here and here, but in the upright position, right, the problem was that in the same spot, it would reference the entire arm itself. Don't worry about that too much. If that does happen, I can bug fix that with you guys. Yeah, this is pretty cool to learn. Cool to know. Yeah. Anytime you make a change, um, so if you're working in a feature document and you make a change, so let's say we move our back text to, okay, sure. Vary by its text box, sure. If we drag this over, right, arm, which does reference our drivetrain, it doesn't immediately update because I like this section. Update this real quick. Um, that's because drivetrain has to create a version first, and then you can update it. So if you're working in drivetrain, you have to create a version, and then update all. And then notice the back text is move over. Basically, what this means is anytime you are working in a feature document, which basically is everyone, uh, you always have to create a new version. You have to always click this to create. Always do this anytime you make a change. That does not mean if I'm about to create another arm, right? That doesn't mean after I make a sketch, I click up, create a new version. After an extrude, I create a new version. That just means once you've made your entire change, create a new version. Every like 10 minutes, creating a new version is probably fine. If you're working on something that's a little longer, I think that's pretty much it. There isn't too much else. Like I said, just remember, anytime you see that blue dot right here, I think it's this one. Anytime you see this blue dot, always click it. Always click update all. Anytime you make a big change when you're working in a feature document, always click create version and then create so that everyone else can update their derived features. Yeah, that's pretty much it.